friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I have Valentine's Day inspired junk nails, so come on in, sit back, relax, remember to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already. And let's get on with the video. Alright, since these are extremely long junk nails, I am creating press-ons because I don't want to keep these on. I don't know how anyone can function with long junk nails, honestly, because they get caught in things, but these will have to be press-ons. I already have some base coat cured on them, and I will leave the link to all the products I use down below. I actually cut these nail tips shorter than what they actually were because they were really long. And I'm going in with some Blue Sky gel polish in the color Sweet Pink for the base. I'll also go over with some glitter as well, even though you can't really see it too much with all the junk on top. So if you don't know what junk nails are, it's basically just adding a bunch of junk to your nails, which is why they're called that. So sometimes the artist or nail tech would set a base color like I'm doing right now with some pink for Valentine's Day, of course, and then they would add a bunch of charms to it. Now sometimes a junk nail set doesn't have to fill up the entire nail, and I've also done a set last year where I did the entire nail fully filled out with charms. So if I remember, I'll put the links to those below because those are super cute nail sets. And for this video in particular, I'm going to be using a lot of charms that I got from my nail haul that I did a few weeks ago. During that video, I did talk a lot about doing this type of video, and you guys told me in the comments that you're excited for this one, and I did say it was going to be a more Valentine's Day one. This was filmed like 2 weeks ago, but I wanted to put it out closer to February. Literally today is the last day of January, so that I can kind of, you know, get it within the Valentine's Day season. Because in my mind, after the 14th, it's Valentine's Day is over. Like, I don't care that it's February's only highlight. I'm like, no. Valentine's Day is over after the 14th, so I will have a few other nail sets that I'm going to be filming soon and put those out before then. And then afterwards is back to regular paid programming. As much as I do love holiday based nails, like I just did a whole bunch for Christmas, I'm ready to get back to sets that have nothing to do with it. So real quick before I start gluing all the charms down, this is a very easy set, by the way. It's just rhinestone glue and charms. I wanted to show you the ones that I got. Most, if not all of them, are from Temu. I will link everything below. Some I got last year, like this one right here is a whole pack. I didn't use most of them. And then these charms are like huge. Like I couldn't even use some of them. I tried to, but I don't even know when I would. These ones are the Hello Kitty ones that I have. I have plenty of other Hello Kitty charms as well, and these are the whole bunch of like pink charms that I could dig up. And so I'm gonna dig through all of them and then just pick them. When the way I do my nails like this, I just select a whole bunch of charms that fit the theme, so essentially just anything pink, girly, with hearts and bows and teddy bears, and I put them to the side, and depending on like what fits where, it's kind of like playing Tetris. I just start putting the largest charms on first, and then I stick smaller ones in little corners because the idea is to fill up the entire nail full of charms, and so I just try to fit them into like little sections, and then you just see the entire conglomerate of the nail, and it's just a whole heaping mess of charms, but it looks really good. It's just not functional. That's the only thing. Also, I'm not going to do too much talking because this video is just the same thing over and over again. It doesn't really require much technique, but I do use the Makartt Rhinestone glue. I love it. I'll live by it. You know, I swear by this product. I love it so much. I use a hand file. Oh, that is not correct. No, I don't use a hand file. I use a handheld flash cure lamp, the one you see on the screen right now. This one is by Melody Susie and it works very well. I don't know why I said hand file. There's no hand file in this video, I promise. But I'm just using that to flash cure all the gems on really quickly. I do put it under my bigger lamp at the end just to make sure I properly cure everything, but that one just allows me to work a little faster because I have a lot of charms to add on.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Been spraying on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight.
let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's our time for making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there.
Testify for you. I do that 3-4 times a good night. Testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it all that I'm around. You scared of you. I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch skin, do it. I ain't your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I be your main one. Just take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Hard to grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. Yeah. It ain't no fear in you. I ain't too scared to shoot. But I got a man at home. And we like family too. But I got needs and wants. Lose my attitude. Fucks my self-control. Wanna take care of you and just for the night, yeah, just for the night. Don't wanna lose all that I have. You could be amused and help me catch, but I just need you to come break my back. If you wanna attack it, it's just that. That's just life.
I'ma be real, you just my type. I
Under
can never
you,
be
I see love. When I'm with you, how can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't stop looking the other way, 'cause I know it could be good, and you never felt the same. You be thinking about it every day. Don't believe in fairy tales, but we got our fantasies. And it's me and the sheet, trying to be up through the sheets. And you on top of me, acting like it's not the deep. Oh, you can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be. Really feel it's bound to be. I can't tell no one, but I know what I want you. I can remember what I want you. It's just me, it's just me, making me think about someone new.
Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you loved how these nails came out. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.